Did you know that if you mix water, yeast and olive oil in a large bowl, add flour and salt and mix them together, cover and leave to rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Stretch and fold the dough 4 times, cover for another 20 to 30 minutes. Do the same stretch and fold process one more time, and let it rest for 1 hour. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and olive oil. Place the dough in the tray and drizzle with some more olive oil. Cover and leave to rest for another hour. Then spread some rosemary leaves on top. Drizzle with more olive oil. Dip your fingers in the dough to make dimples. Add some flaky sea salt and sun-dried tomatoes. Then bake at 230 degrees for 20 minutes. You could have the most amazing homemade focaccia bread you've ever tried in your entire life.